What if I told you that an ancient philosophy holds the key to making money, achieving success, and creating long-term prosperity? And no, it's not about hustle culture or shortcuts. It's called Stoicism, and it's been transforming lives for over 2,000 years. Today, we're going to break down how you can use Stoicism to supercharge your financial success and build the life you want. 1. Stoicism and money. Why it works. First off, let's get one thing straight. Stoicism isn't about living in poverty or rejecting wealth. In fact, Stoicism teaches us to thrive no matter the circumstances, including financial success. The key? Focusing on what you can control, your mindset, your effort, your ability to learn and grow, and letting go of what you can't control, like the economy or what other people think. 2. The Stoic mindset for wealth creation. Let's dive into the mindset part, because it's huge when it comes to making money. The Stoics believed in one thing above all: self-mastery. If you can master your emotions and thoughts, you can make smarter decisions, take calculated risks, and avoid the pitfalls of impulsive spending or fear-based choices. When you have self-discipline, you avoid shiny object syndrome. You don't chase quick wins. Instead, you play the long game, which is how real wealth is built. 3. The power of focus and consistency. Here's where Stoicism gives you a real edge: focus and consistency. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic emperors, said, "People who labor all their lives but have no purpose can never rest, but must always chase after other people's opinions." What does this mean for you? Stop chasing distractions. To build financial success, you need laser focus on your goals. Whether it's growing a business, investing, or mastering a skill, focus is your superpower. Consistency beats talent every time, and Stoicism teaches you to show up, even when it's hard. The dichotomy of control and financial success. Now let's talk about the dichotomy of control. This Stoic principle is a game changer for money making. There are two things in life: things you control and things you don't. In your control, how much effort you put into learning new skills, the quality of your work, how you manage your money. Out of your control: market trends, economic downturns, what people think about your success. The Stoics teach us to focus only on what we can control. Stop stressing about market crashes or inflation. Instead, control your spending habits, diversify your income streams, and keep learning. That's how you stay ahead of the game. 5. Embrace challenges as opportunities. Here's the truth no one tells you: success is a byproduct of how you handle challenges. Stoicism teaches that the obstacle is the way. Every problem is an opportunity in disguise. Lost money on an investment? Great. What can you learn from it? Business going through a tough time? Even better. This is where you develop resilience and find creative solutions. The Stoics believe that challenges make us stronger and more capable, and in today's world, that's how you win. 6. Practical Stoic strategies for financial freedom. All right, now let's get into the practical steps. How do you apply Stoicism to actually make money and build wealth? 1. Develop an unshakable mindset. Start every day by asking yourself, what's within my control today? Focus only on those things. This will keep you from wasting energy on distractions. 2. Practice gratitude. Sounds simple, but gratitude is a powerful wealth-building tool. The more you appreciate what you have, the less you'll feel the need to spend unnecessarily. It helps you stay grounded and content, even as your wealth grows. 3. Long-term thinking. Stop trying to get rich quick. The Stoics were all about long-term thinking. Focus on sustainable success by investing in yourself, your skills, your knowledge, your health. These things compound over time. 7. Stoicism's final lesson on prosperity. At the end of the day, Stoicism teaches us that true prosperity is about much more than money. It's about building a life of purpose, resilience, and peace of mind. When you master your inner world, the external world, money, success, status, will follow naturally. So, are you ready to apply Stoic principles to achieve unshakable prosperity? Let me know in the comments what resonated most with you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more life-changing content.